the dialysate. Okay? The dialysate is not mixed with the blood. The dialysate around the blood, around the whole fiber. So here we have the normal range for potassium, and here we have concentrated potassium. So potassium will move through the pores to the dialysate. Okay? And this is how it works, from high to low. Time. Why we reverse? Why we said reverse the coupling, not the same inlet of the blood? So blood is coming from here, okay? Out from here. Where I will set the inlet of the dialysate. Where is the inlet of the dialysate? Will be here and out from here. So here the blood and the dialysate is coming in reverse. Okay, why? Why? What will happen? Why we reverse the coupling? Okay. The red coupling in B-Braun is the out. The blue is the in. You remember? Huh? Okay. So here is the blue, and here is the red. Okay. And here the red, sir, for the blood, and here the blue. We make it the same color so you will not be confused. In other systems, you need to switch color. But here we make it the same color so you will not be confused during the priming. But here is the out and here the in. Here the in, here out. Why? Why we reverse the blood against the lysate? Fine. Some pen, please. Pen. Get all your pen. All.
Bring it back.
All. Pen.
I need to mark.
Pen. Pen. طيب. I need where the mail. يا مدير. Please come. Flash behind him. Sit. Okay. Stand still. أيوة. ما شاء الله. Take this one. Okay. Take this one. I need another pen. Another pen. Another. Here. Okay. Okay. طيب. Here in the blood. MashaAllah, they are wearing red. They are the blood. I am the dialysate. If we are go together, we speaking that exchange is happening here between blood and dialysate. Okay. If we are go together, what will happen? We will do exchange. He is high, I am low. So I will take some of his concentrated molecule. So we reach now to equilibrium. So the whole way we are walking together, nothing happened. Okay? Alas, we reach what? Equilibrium. But if I'm in the opposite side, okay, and he's coming toward me, I will take one from here. So we now.
You will remove.
Now we are equal. But when I go there, still this one is high. So I will take another one. So I am 3 and 3. When I go more, still this one high. So the whole way I am doing exchange. The whole way. Because I am still low, but here is still concentrated. But if in the first step I reach equilibrium, خلاص, no, nothing will happen. خلاص. We reach equilibrium. Okay? You get the point? Okay, thank you.
Bring back.
Thank you.
That one is for me.
Thank you.
Secure.
Alhamdulillah, I didn't give my ball.
Secure.
So you understand now why we reverse the blood against the lysate? Okay. Okay? If we are together, equilibrium will happen, خلاص, no more to change along the way of the dialysis. But if we reverse, the whole way, exchange happening. Okay? Right, this is for diffusion and why we reverse the blood against dialysis. The second one is, we are speaking in shortly. Second mechanism is convection. Convection depends on something called pressure gradient. Here we depend on concentration gradient, but here pressure gradient. Okay? Sorry for my handwriting. This will be useful in removing what? We are using this one in HDF. Okay, this will help me in removing diffusion, will help in small molecule, convection will help in middle molecule. How? Okay, in diffusion, the molecule is small, easy to remove. But in middle, large.
Large
or
molecules.
middle need someone to help you to push it out. Okay. If I, what the name? She's small. Sorry. She can move easily. But mashallah, we have, what the name again? Abdullah. He's hard to move. I need someone to help me push him out. Okay? Who will help me here? Fluids, which I will call here substitution.
Substitution.
In HE, I call the fluid is dialysis.
Dialysis.
But in HEF, we will call the fluid as
Substitution.
substitution. Right. Where I will inject this fluid? Here in the line.
There.
Okay.
Right. Yes.
Right. We have extension here. Huh?
Yes.
Extension. And we have extension here. The fluid I will give, I can give something called pre-filter
Pre-dilution.
or post-filter. Okay. So I will inject fluid here, and the fluid I will inject will be with the blood. Okay. When I will inject fluid with the blood, this fluid will provide me pressure inside the filter. It's like waterfall. You know waterfall? When you see waterfall and there's small rocks, large rocks, the water will remove all the small and large rocks. The same here. The fluid will go inside, making pressure here, so it will push the middle molecule out. Okay? And at the same time, small will
Goes.
Okay. So, as we said, we can inject fluid pre or post. طيب. What will be the advantage and disadvantage here if I give the fluid pre with the blood? What will happen to the blood? Will be
Diluted.
diluted. طيب. If I dilute the blood is no more what? It's no more what?
Concentrated.
Concentrated. So the exchange here will
Decrease.
decrease. So it will affect on the efficiency, on the clearance. Okay? But in the same time will avoid me what will happen here if I dilute the blood? Close. Okay? Because the blood now is diluted. So it will help me decrease the chance of clotting,
Clotting.
but in the same time will decrease the clearance. Because the blood will be
Diluted.
Okay. Any question? Any question? So this is for the pre. I will give the fluid pre. Okay. So the blood will be diluted. So the chance of risk of clotting will decrease, but the clearance will
The lower.
high. If I give the fluids post, what will happen here? The blood still
Concentrated.
inside the filter. So the chance for
Clotting.
is high. Especially I'm removing large
Higher
volume
molecule.
fluid. I'm removing large volume. Okay? but the clearance
Still high.
still high. Okay, it's reversed. Okay. How it works for HDF? If I bring like cup of tea and cup of water, okay, I will what you call that one?
Mix it.
You will put.
I will
You'll add.
some water to the tea.
To that.
What will happen to the tea?
It will be diluted.
So I will remove some from the tea, but I will add extra water. What will happen?
More diluted.
Water. So the more I added water, the more I will remove. I will clear the blood. Okay. I added water. I'm removing the water, but when I remove the water, I'm removing also the
molecules.
the toxic resin. Okay. So for HDF, first why we call HDF? Because we use the two methods, the HD
And convection.
and the HF. Sorry, I forgot to mention this one. This is why I don't like to explain fast. So this combination from HD and HF.
HF.
HF is the process of added water pre or post.
Post.
Okay, so they mix together to have much better clearance. So I will use substitution, and I will use at the same time dialysate. So from here dialysate, and from here
Substitution.
So I'm using the two methods. Now I'm using infusion, I'm using convection, and this will help me in
Clearing out more.
blood. طيب. We have here something called filtration fraction. Filtration fraction. What this one? Filtration fraction mean that I have limit to remove fluid. Okay. Because if I remove more, what will happen to the blood will be concentrated. For example, I have the component of the blood is what? Plasma, RBCs, white blood cells. Okay. So plasma is the watery part of the blood. So if I have here, I have 100, okay, and I remove 100 water, and I remove 50. What will happen to the blood? It will be more concentrated, okay? But I don't want this. If the blood is more concentrated, so I have the chance to have
Clot.
clot. So I have limit for this one, 25%. Okay, 25. So if I add 100 here, I only allow to remove
25.
25. So the remaining here will be 75.
75.
So the blood still have the volume. Okay, still have the volume of water.
Yes.
In the pre, I don't give attention for this one. Because in the pre, if I added 100, I will remove 100. So still the blood, the same volume is the blood. I remove only extra fluid, what is extra fluid? The original water inside the patient. The patient have water already, it's overloaded. Okay, and I am adding water extra. So the one I added, I will remove. Plus the original water inside the patient. Okay? So, as I said, 100 will remove 25, the remaining is 75%. So still, I have the volume. From this 75, I remove the shwaya, which is the original, maybe 10%. Okay? Which is the original water, patient fluid. Okay? Here, no, we give attention for this one in the post. Because I will add the fluid post. Okay. So the blood until reach here is concentrated. So if I remove too much, the blood will be concentrated. And I will add water later, post. So until the blood reach here and diluted, it's already concentrated here inside, and we have the chance to have
Clots.
clots. Because the blood here is concentrated, and we make it more concentrated because we remove fluid.
Right.
We remove extra fluid. Okay? So the blood is like dry now. Okay? But we will add water also. But here it's dry. So we have the chance to
clot.
add clot. So take care. And post dilution we have chance
To
to
clot.
have clots. Okay? Especially if you are not using heparin. Okay? Right, this is quickly for the theory. We spoke in superficially كده يعني. And we will go now for hand on. Okay. Why I'm doing خلاص. So we'll go for the machine.
20 minutes.
Ay, nag-live na lang ako sa YouTube.
Like Dialog Plus. Okay, we have 16-inch LED touch screen. We have the confirm button. We have the alarm and silent. Okay, the
Blood flows. Cup.
pump plus minus and the power. In the back we have the holder of the BB.
BP cup.
Okay. Here we have the entry of the card in case we'll use patient card. Okay.
Mashallah.
Syringe pump. The holder we have, as you know, arterial
Arterial.
pressure sensor,
Venous.
BBE,
Mm.
which is
Pressure before entry.
why we set that one here. Huh?
To monitor the
That's
What's
the
this?
pressure at the end length of the dialyzer.
dialyzer.
Okay. Why we set that one here? When I have resistance at the end of the
There's clot.
dialyzer, the machine is telling me take care. You start to have
Clots.
clots. Now I still have a chance to flush it,
Tough.
return the blood. Because later, if I wait or I ignore, what will happen? What alarm I will receive?
PBE.
Upper limit.
Upper limit.
When
TMP,
TMP
Upper limit.
So
upper
this is
limit.
before TMP. Telling you, take care. You will have later TMP.
TMP
Do something.
exceeded.
Okay.
Flush.
I forget to mention the light, as you know, green, yellow, red. Green is okay, yellow warning. Red mean you need to come now, okay? We have two pumps here, one for the blood, one for the
Substitution.
and online priming. This one for something is called single needle crossover. We will not use this one. We have the venous holder, we have SAD, what is SAD?
Air
Safety.
safety air detector.
Detector. Okay. And this one, in case we have bubbles or we have air, the machine will
Detect.
alert. Okay. We have the hemotacritic sensor, and the job of this one is to inform you, take care. If the sensor feel the blood is more concentrated, that
Concentrated.
means you are
Almost a
getting
clot.
more
Removing.
fluid.
Fluid.
Okay, you are aspirating more fluid, so the blood is dry. So you have chance of
Clotting.
clotting. So that the sensor will take care. And also indication for that you may have what? Or what will happen to the patient?
Hypotensive.
Hypotension.
Because I'm getting more
Fluid.
fluid from it. And this will help me in calculating like dry weight. Okay? Because if the machine will give you alarm in this way that you are taking more fluid, so the doctor will may know we need to modify the dry weight of the patient. Okay? We have here substitution and waste board, substitution board, the one you will feed for the brine, and waste board, the returning of the fluid. As you know, we have here the stick or acid, acetate no more. We have here sensor. This one is sensor. In case you have leak,
Water
or
leakage.
water or blood, it will alarm in 200 ml. Okay, it will alarm. side, we have the couplet. As you know, this one is in, this one is
Out.
Okay? Right. At the back, it's not like Dialog Plus, you have something here, no. Now, it's integrated inside regarding the filter.
Filters. Oh,
Okay.
Nice.
nice.
So, no more here.
Yes.
And if
Better
this
to-
open, you will have alarm.
Yes.
I need to put tape.
Yeah.
Mm.
No,
That's
no,
better.
And it has a key. It's not difficult to open.
Please select subscription methods. Full alarm back.
Yes. Yeah, below here.
Like 10 minutes only. Range 18 minutes. Because maybe you start preparation and full alarm during the preparation. Leaving a machine too long is not an use. So, just 10 minutes. Sorry for this 10 minutes.
Pause.
She is the problem, she didn't disinfect.
I took the sample last time.
Wala. 10
I
minutes
need
lang
to
hintayin mo siya.
Sorry, this is for
For
the bicarb.
bicarb.
Okay, no more this one here.
You will
Ah,
open.
mashallah.
For the coupling, same way ready to fix. For the coupling.
كوبلين تسألك
Yes,
لو
what the,
سمحت
تسألك
هي بتسألك على الكوبلين
بنحط البلو أول وبعدين
Or we need to put like this.
What the question?
the placement of the coupling.
No, it doesn't matter.
The blue should be on this.
It doesn't matter.
According to engineer, anything.
Yeah.
According to the engineer.
Okay.
Okay.
Because
Just to be
we
clear.
asked this one also. Because it's the engineer, nothing here or here, no problem.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we have the interface here. We have here the HD, HDF.
Ipasa ko na
and
lang yung
HD
link mamaya.
double needed. Sorry, HD single needed also. Okay. I've explained for single needed quickly, but this single needed, that in case we have like access problem or the patient is new for the access, we are using this one. We only using one needle with two branches.
With two branches, yes.
Okay, it's like custom.
Yes.
But in the arm.
Mm.
Okay, one needle with two branches.
Yes.
The machine will do what? Take some blood,
Return.
stop, clear, send. Take some blood, stop,
Clear,
clear,
send.
send. Okay, send to the patient.
Mm.
Cannot work together. Because
Yeah.
if work together, what will happen?
Recirculation.
So the machine takes some shoya, clear, and back to the patient. Take shoya blood, clear, and send to the patient. This is the single needle. Okay.
Not same clearance.
Near. And for this one, maybe 90% for the clear. Yes. What else here? This is the interface. We have a cube. It's like this one. Every face has some function. Okay. You can go like this one. You will volume, the time, whatever you would set. Here you can find the UF, the heparin, the synchronate, some option, some function. I will show you when we start the preparation. Okay. The disinfection history, and if you have any interruption, like Dialog Plus, if you have any interruption during disinfection weekly, in case you will set weekly disinfection at night. Filter, for filter change, it will show you
How many hours?
how many hours, how many instruction remaining. For the filter, 150, the back filter, long filter. Okay, 150 session or 900 hour. Okay, that timer in case you will what reminder for anything you want to check anything, just set the reminder.
Oh,
That's it.
that's nice.
This is for the date, time, and for the card in case we will use the card. Okay. This one only for the head nurse, inshallah. Later I will show you. So here, we can go here. Like this one. This is like the test. If you want where you are now from the test. Okay. Or up. It will give you like the remote for the session, and you can go like this and like this. No problem. Okay. Okay. Auto off setting, no. Auto setting, no. That means after inspection the machine will switch off. No, I said no. Okay. The BB, one of the advantage here in the machine, the BB that is measuring, we have in the beginning, the cuff is inflated, okay, to the maximum, maybe 200, 200 something, stop, and start to
Deflate.
deflate. Now, here no. The measuring will be taken during the inflation. During the inflation,
Mashallah.
the machine will take the systolic and diastolic and stop. Thus, no more duration and no more pain for the patient, no more tightness. But it will be easy to for the patient. It will not be more painful. This is for the level, as you know.
Yes.
I need to start running so the function will activate it. Same for HD, we are using high.
High flux.
So in HDF, we should have high.
The high flux dialysis.
dialyzer. Good. Access. Okay, you cannot work like 200, 250. Minimum to 300, minimum. Okay, for HDF. As we said, we need to take care for the filtration fraction. Should not pass 25%.
25%.
For HDF. Regarding the consumption, you may use more than one gallon of this one, because we are. If you are working HD for 500, for HDF you will set
700.
600, 700, 800, because you want to infuse large volume of fluid.
Yes.
Okay, so when you infuse large volume, you will remove large volume, and this large volume you will remove contain molecule, small, medium. So for the bicarb, maybe, sometime. Yes, in case you like.
If the
600, maybe it's okay.
600 is okay.
600, but maybe
If the bicarb will
700,
be
800, you will need
empty,
extra.
you can change it. The cartridge
Yeah.
will be empty, we can change.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You have a problem.
Problem for the patient. Problem for the patient. How we
It
will.
So,
Maybe we can set up.
yeah, we can set the line. So if you have bad access,
Mag-ano ka na
if you
lang.
start HDF is useless. If you have bad access,
Yeah.
Yes.
you need to have good access.
Because you will go back to HD.
So high flux dialyzer, this is low.
Almost 30 minutes na, 29 minutes na pala. Nagla-live ako sa YouTube.
So no problem, you
Send mo na lang,
can
ma'am.
install the line during the disinfection, okay? Here we don't have back
Reservoir.
or recirculating.
Yeah.
What we will do online
Yes.
right now, okay? Right. Who can help us?
Yan latte. Gloves jar. Infection control is here.
Okay, we did hand
washing.
washing first. Hand washing.
Wow.
Okay. So the difference here is no more you will know this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mashallah. Nice.
you have this part. Okay. So B-Braun should be facing you.
The label.
Coordinate is true. Right? Okay. Water supply is there.
Oh my God. Did we do dialysis in the RO? Maybe on night mode. I will check. Maybe on night mode.
So you will do this one. Okay. Can you hold this one?
Oh, okay.
Okay. You know how? No?
I will send the link.
And?
Na lang.
Click. If not rotated, that means it's not yet installed
So this
correctly.
one, this part
Okay.
will be absent. It's arterial.
So we need to.
Yes, working,
See?
working.
Only that one. Nice.
Okay, nice. This one will-
Last infection will disturb it.
I can sample this one or
No need.
No, ها وتر خلاص ها.
Yes, I open. It's on night mode.
So we wait for this 1 minute. Okay. As I said, you need to put this one in a correct position. Sometimes it's what's it called that one. You need to hear like a click. Here. Okay. Why not rotate it?
It will automatically rotated. Hmm.
Baka kasi hindi pa siya nakatest mo.
Mm-mm.
No need to push.
Maybe because still disinfection.
You need to start that.
Done.
So we'll go for HD. Okay, HDF.
Mm-hmm. Under
So
notes.
set
Ito
the
na.
card, set asset.
It will
Okay.
mag-set na siya.
Mm.
See this
When
one.
I wake up.
This one need to show modified. I will start the
Bicog.
assets. Set the bicarb. Look the bicarb. Bicarb.
Bicarb.
There. So try to set the bicarb. Yes. Open. Open. Open
Inshallah.
up. Yes. No. This is here.
Include.
Yes.
Yes. No.
And
Ay.
okay. So the machine start the grinding here. Do it automatically. Okay.
Yeah.
Continue.
Inshallah.
Continue.
Continue.
Di-
Send the line,
But first you need to restore.
Low flux or high flux? Hindi ka mag... Basig dili na mo. Mo work. Yeah.
Now you have an instruction here. What is saying? Mount dialyzer and connect couple. Okay? The dialyzer will mount horizontally.
على طول كانت تقبل لنا
Complain?
ما شاء الله 1 minute
operation 40 minutes.
Open with port.
Yeah. The totality.
أنا شايفة هنا تركب اللاين ده كله. والله العظيم.
Arterial. Arterial. Arterial.
I'm leaving you to start. Huh? I'm not doing anything.
يا نرمين.
How can we...
Where this one?
No, it should be on the
Nermin.
dialyzer part. Up, up, up.
Here, the chamber where?
Dialyzer up.
No,
Up, 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 upside down. No, no, no.
Upside down.
upside down.
Upside down.
Aywa.
يا بنتي. What happened to
Here.
Nermina?
This is the one.
Make it tight. Make it tight.
Ah, good.
Tight, already tight.
Okay.
Don't worry. Still fever.
Ah, okay.
Still this one. You didn't finish this line yet.
Yeah, this one here. Sa?
Which day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sa?
Yeah, little we need
This
to
one
manage.
arterial. Plus.
It's like Dialog Plus. Okay.
No, that's one. Still this one is worth.
والله كنت قايل لكم تدريب عادي بس ما بقى بتعمل زي زمان.
Eh, so, difference. This one different.
Where this one?
هاي
أيوة.
هاي وهاي بهاي.
تمام.
Yes. That one is the ano. For the
That's why we are saying HDF.
But final board is different.
it's the same attachment.
Just look, please. So you will not be confused. We have the arterial line and we have the extension for
The
the
substitute.
online prime or substitution. Okay. This one will be connected pre, okay, or post
Yes.
in the venous line,
Mm-mm.
and this will be the feeding,
Yes.
and you will connect the arterial
There.
here.
Mm.
Okay, because why we do this one? If you put this one here, you will only feeding the arterial.
The arterial.
What about the extension?
Mm.
Okay, so the extension will be here, and we will connect the arterial to the extension, and this one will be pre or post.
Where's this one? No,
Okay.
no, here, this one. That's small.
No,
this
here.
one.
Same
Sir?
Connect this one to you.
Yep.
Here.
Here. So.
The most important thing during the priming is to secure the pressure sensor. If you are not securing this part and you have water inside, you will have headache
Yeah.
later. Okay? Right. And here we'll connect it to the waist. Waist.
Mm.
Okay?
This is the one.
Mag-wait sa coupling.
So before we start priming, what we need to do,
This one you did not connect still. Hina?
so the default is to,
With the other
Here.
one هنا.
the
There.
default will be,
هنا ولا هنا؟ لأن احنا بنحطه هنا.
the default will be,
There.
no bro, we have extension now.
Yeah, extension already.
Okay?
So that you will have extra here at the, in case
The
you
default
need
is
to,
post. In case you want to modify pre,
Yeah.
you can modify. But the default of the machine is post.
Post.
Okay? Type. Before we start priming, what we need to do,
Sorry.
still we didn't, wait. Open west port, mount venous line. Sorry. Okay. Open substitution port, خلاص. Mount arterial line, خلاص. Connect patient in to the substitution line. Connect substitution line to outlet, pre or post. If required, mount heparin syringe, breast priming. But before, connect the
Coupling.
coupling. Blue is blue, and red was red. And we will close anything we will not use. Okay? Any clamp that we will not use. Okay? And make sure the transducer or the sensor here is tightly closed. And now, after of course, if you practice this one, it will be like 2 minutes finish. Okay? Now the machine is blinking now for priming. Okay? This is one of the advantages that now you can prepare everything, connect coupling, press priming, and the machine when it finish the test automatically will go for priming.
Mm.
No, not like Dialog Plus. You need to prepare, but the machine will call you to connect
To
coupling.
connect coupling.
No. Now you prepare everything, connect coupling,
To
press
save
prime,
time.
and leave the machine. The machine, after finish test, will go direct to priming. Okay?
You can prepare on the machine disinfection.
All together.
You can prepare
We
on the
need to
machine
prepare everything,
disinfection.
then
After
press,
disinfection,
we'll go for from the
During
testing.
inspection, you're gonna start, right? No problem. Okay?
The other machine.
طيب, what's your question?
30 minutes? Yeah, not put here. Yeah, you can put
طيب,
here.
okay.
From the
You can put this one. No problem. So,
press
okay.
For the sun.
machine disinfection في خلطة صغيرة.
the same but it's يعني the place is different.
We will have like a message. Okay? If you need to leave the goblin now or wait.
How many minutes disinfection?
Disinfection 30 according to the 37. يعني confirmed there is no area.
It's easy والله إن شاء الله. لازم تورينا ال HD
لو هيك
شكلها
معنا Inshallah, 9 minutes. Wait until blood line is primed completely.
انا هخلي ما اخلي او بس احنا بنخلي احنا بنقول we are telling the stuff make it يعني the direction of the writing is up so because sometimes the stuff is asleep.
But it's okay. It's okay, sir. Sir. It's okay.
دي كده جاهزة.
But the point is
The color. Yes.
لا لا بس الحتة دي خدعتنا بتاع ال
yes that's your point.
Now it's شباب now it's priming يا جماعة.
ولا كلها نفس الشيء 67
No pressure, fill in now.
مش فارق يعني 2 minutes I'll show you every program. Okay.
I will take, she did yesterday also. No,
Do we need to
they wait
fill
103 and
automatically the chamber? No need.
Automatic regulation.
it's not coming.
Yes, you can do it manually sometimes. But leave the machine. If you observe there is some air, you can do it. This is standby mode. Okay. Standby mode. In case your patient is not yet here,
I am the
I'll
one.
kill you.
I am the one because I don't want air here.
لا ما هذا machine is doing automatically and leave it.
Because here see it will كده خلاص. We are making until the half. أهو شوف.
شوف see هنا automatic priming you can read here automatic priming is active level in the chamber will be set
Automatically.
okay
استني شوي.
Wait, in case you can see some air you can do this what you are doing okay?
See. شوف.
It's going up.
for the nurse.
Yeah, you can leave the machine on its own.
So standby will mean that your patient is not yet here so you can press standby so the machine will use the minimum
will it
for
start?
the
No need to adjust
for the
the-
acid
The acid.
or the bicarb okay so you will not consume too much if the patient is late.
Let us do mistakes so we can learn.
Yes, of course. Change cartridge. Change. Down the plastic,
So there's
change.
change
by
cartridge.
cartridge.
If it's empty, if it will be empty.
Stop preparation in case you will cancel.
The brush. Where is this one?
No, siya lang.
Oo, siya lahat. Yung
So here you have patient name. You have the process now in preparation.
No need صح؟ To enter وكده.
In patient according
Why
to
we
what are you using here.
patient name? It will save the data of the patient. For what?
Yes.
Yes.
Like,
Save data.
monitor. يعني احنا
We have
You have printer?
also there ate in the we
You will
can
print
put
the
the
data
name and
and
the
you do?
file number.
Unit system.
But it's
But
not
we are not
connected
using.
to our system صح؟
You have a microchip, sir,
But
on
not
the
same
side.
like a monitor.
We have
Yung
the
card.
card
See,
here.
they have a card. So maybe
Even the last machine So, there is medical card.
The machine itself, it's saving.
Medical legal يا شباب take care.
medical
Anything mo lang.
So this is figure show you what is happening in the machine.
Does that
So
system
we
na
don't put the dialyzer like this or you need to change
He
it?
said like this. Yeah, in the picture.
air
it's
will
in the
so-
picture? Nagta-test blood system na yun.
on it, you're testing, but then you will just. Nice, you can leave it without running. I don't know how many 6 a.m.
I think I want
It's
A2
it's
na.
automatically regulating the level here and here.
Now A2, ما في مشكلة for the A2. Leave
I will
all-
do A2.
طب انا بليز عندي سؤال. الهاي فلكس فلترز فينا نستعملهم على الاتش دي العادل؟
ممكن
ولا-
تستعملهم على الاتش دي عادي.
ممكن.
بس في الاتش دي
But
لازم
HD
high
ايه لا بالاتش اف اكيد.
لازم. نتفق في what the different low and the pores, the size of the pores.
يعني
Because I
حتى
need to move the middle molecule, so I need more wider pores. Okay.
يعني الاتش دي ماشين العاديه كمان فيها الالترا بيور فلتر صح؟
فيها تقريبا one
1 الترا بيور هيديك عم بيكون فيها 2.
والالترا بيور فلتر we can change it every كم يعني or the machine will
في إلها
150 session, 150 session or 900. At the maybe remaining 2 days, you will have about remaining 2 days. You think remaining 2 days are that include between Brazilians and
yeah.
B-Braun.
والاكسترنال تيوبز الاكسترنال تيوبز مثل هول اللي بالكابلينجز يس او هول
This
اللي
is
تحت
annual maintenance. BBM.
annually it should be changed.
Okay. The engineer will evaluate.
اوكي لانه الانفكشن
Okay.
كنترول we're asking.
The engineer will evaluate if it needs to be changed because he has specific item to change.
Yeah.
And he need to evaluate some items if it need to change or no. Okay.
ولما ينعمل ديس انفكشن ما بينعمل له للتيوب
Yes,
تمرق
أيوة.
وهي الديس انفكشن والكيميكال مثل
Everything.
الهوليك نفس
Thermal, chemical,
اتس
rinsing,
اول
water
بالشورت
only.
وباللونج بالشورت وباللونج اثنيناتهم في الهيت والكيميكال.
So yeah, we can see this one.
هول انا اسئله الانفكشن كنترول وصلوني فيها. الهيت ديس انفكشن والكيميكال ديس انفكشن موجودين بالشورت وباللونج ديس انفكشن
موجودين.
نفس الشيء يعني مثل
No,
هذيك
they
المشين.
will provide us another source of water supply.
بقول لو احنا اخذنا نعرف ناخدها على الاي سي يو نشتغل بيها لان اعتقد المخرج مختلف.
للICU, but ICU you cannot use HDF in ICU.
HD the HD
Yeah, when I
If you have water source, okay. Then.
بس لا هنا الكونكشن بتاعتها فين؟
There, at the back. There is a water supply in here. This one. But they need to provide us with a different
Connection.
connection.
Connections, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But
So
it's
we
still
cannot
the
take
same.
ICU.
No, they will provide.
They will.
So we can connect it directly to the water supply here.
from the RO machine.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's a different supply.
The inlet, this one, different than the
Next
other
time I
machine.
need time to explain and
Doesn't Friday?
Yeah.
Okay. We can arrange Saturday, no problem.
Friday.
Yes, it's a
Yeah, Friday,
one
but-
day
But
off.
give me
But
time.
it's better, much better for the phosphorus, for the clearance, for the. I love beta 2 microglobulin.
So if you want to set the, if you want to set now the UF, if you want to set the UF, okay, for example 1000
From where you breathe?
here,
Volume.
back here, okay.
Program.
You will go for, okay, you have UF here, the time, the conductivity, priming volume, okay. But we use 6700 for priming volume, okay. So we'll go back here, UF volume, 1000 for hour, so it will be 250 every hour, okay. You can extend and or from here. You can do it from here, okay?
Those like
Let's go for the preparation. Turn the dialyzer flow in, down. If you follow the instruction, it will be okay.
Low down, huh?
Yes. In case you want to, as the sister said, you can do it, okay? Ensure that prescription is entered correctly.
Press connect.
Press connect patient. Type.
Already now?
We have now connect patient. This is the heparin, it's 00, because we didn't use the heparin. Next time, remind me to use the heparin. Okay.
But we are not giving them.
You was the one shot?
We have
Up to you.
single dose.
So we will connect now. Connect patient. Now you have like small report, HD, post, the syringe, double needle, blah, 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 blah.
Canister, acid
What if we
water.
want to make the syringe of the heparin infusion off, or it will not allow?
If you will not set those, it's off.
No need.
Okay. So, خلاص, confirm. Now you have something called Y connection, red connection. Y connection mean I will take venous and red direct and connect. Same time.
Simultaneous.
That means the fluid will go.
To the patient.
Red connection if I want to
Only the
discard the fluid. So I will take only the
arterial.
arterial, connect to the patient, start, and the fluid will be until it reach here and will give you alarm as you know, like the
White connection.
okay.
Sorry.
So connect arterial venous line to patient, close waist port, start blood pump. Okay, red connection, connect arterial line, start blood pump. Okay. We have
Saline.
500.
Saline.
So
500. We have spike here.
Ah,
I have it. I have it.
it's not free spikes.
Because of that, no need for spikes.
Kasi paano pag halos lahat kayo walang...
You need the spike or connection.
Yes.
Like HDF. It's nice, but you know, I mean, we are confusing about
Yes.
three and this one.
Yes.
بعدين the fluid خلاص.
We need to make a trial. Everyone will come to the machine and prove.
Who's calling? Oh,
Dali, edit na tayo.
So we know what is anemia. Anemia.
American.
Go here. Let's first connect patient. The key to over B. The key to over B. So, okay, thank you. So this is S. This is what?
No, no, sir.
Nervous.
The patient.
This is the patient. So what I will do now?
We will
Connect
Arterial line to
direct
patient.
connection.
I will take the arterial line, of course clamp. Okay. Connect to
The patient.
venous, arterial.
هذا arterial.
The patient.
The patient.
Okay. And open.
Start blood pump.
Okay.
قال لك
Start.
Yes, now the blood pump is moving. When the blood flow?
Five. And then you will click what? The bypass, don't forget. Okay. Bypass. Treatment will be start.
Okay.
Okay.
على طول على
Twist four. Okay.
Check the axis.
So
I think this one.
on this one. It should be was port open. Why alarming?
because what?
Or we need to remove this
This one
one.
it should not be here.
No, no.
Yeah.
This one will be here.
Substitution man yan.
Okay. To the arm because of this.
Ay,
Okay.
yeah, that one. Remove the blue one.
Let me check here.
But you don't have the bag. So from the old machine, we are removing this one.
Yeah, but you have back.
Yeah. But can we
And you can
remove
drain
and
here.
just kita?
You can drain here.
Oh.
Let's go.
Fluid bolus.
Because no, we should not press
Stop.
bypass first.
Yes.
Okay.
That's not yet connected.
Let's consider is connected.
Yes.
Okay. Close
The patient.
and connect
Connect with the
to
patient.
the patient.
Ayun.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you can
If you will
start
bypass, it will.
whatever you want. Okay, regarding the blood flow rate. طيب.
Okay, TV. Bypass, you need to
Remove already.
Now the survey is running. Here we're supposed to have
Extra connector. Extra cover.
this one.
Ah.
Okay. So this one should be
Yes.
closed. Okay. To protect this part because you will reinfuse from this part. Okay. Right. And maybe sometime infection control will ask you to wipe.
Sometimes this one it will lose
Okay.
that lump.
Oh, it will open the blood.
So let's go for the mini screen now.
But still bypasses.
No.
Hindi.
No, no.
Remove already.
Yeah. 1 real.
200.
Okay.
Hypertensive. Wow, reading immediately.
Still.
Let's go here. Now the next I will explain to you. For kit overview, what we need to set? The
The way.
The
Wait.
patient's brain.
okay, the target you want, and the target warnings in case you want the alarm. Kit overview will not be reached. If off, you will not receive the alarm. But you need to make it on
PMP.
Okay, ano naman.
because we are
Because
not
there is
using
no
Saline.
blood. Okay. طيب. Let's go from here. Start from the beginning.
No,
This is now
140 now.
100.
146, 104.
because I'm standing here.
I'm Lord.
Okay. This is the
I'm not
hour.
I have 5.
I will prescribe.
So I want to give me your arm here.
Ah,
Here.
Okay.
Here, no problem. Let me check.
No. Hydrology.
Normal saline.
Hypotensive.
You feel any
Mashallah.
pain?
no.
Okay. So
Mashallah. No
no more
pain.
is too tight.
A little.
Okay.
But how come my reading very high?
20 minutes or 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you will take the last measurement and the next measurement will go, just go for the, sorry, here. I will go for this one. During the examination. So this is the mini screen, we'll go here. As we said, the UF, the time, the conductivity, if you want to increase or decrease for the sodium. Okay. Here we will go UF. Okay. The treatment is HD, the profile. If you know the UF profile, if you want to
Maybe because this is low flux dialyzer.
yes. One of the reason here. Right. The profile on and off, sequential, just according to you. You will set total volume, whatever you want for the first hour. And you want if 4 kilo, that means 1 kilo every hour. But you want to have 1.5 kilos in the first hour. Okay, you will set the volume and start. Okay.
No need to calculate.
The acid, this is the profile, the bicarb profile, sodium profile, temperature profile, dialysis profile. In case you want to have complete control of the session, whatever you want to make it high in the beginning, what you make it low at the end of the session,
We can do linear.
okay? It's up to what you want. Start high, end low.
Yes.
Start low, end high. It's up
Start
to.
high and low.
It's
Can
up
we-
to you. Okay.
So we will put on, but then how can we adjust?
Open.
No. Maybe no oxygen. You have already made use of
Why?
our-
طيب temperature, for example temperature. Okay, you can decrease,
But then you have
Okay.
drink duty, that's for
or you can go here and go here. Okay, you can make it whatever you want to make it here. Okay,
Then you can, if at the end.
that is press okay.
exclude your other.
But we always make
You
it
are concerned.
off.
I'm the.
We don't want the stuff to manipulate this one. Okay.
You.
Why? It's not good. Is need doctor order or doctor need to see?
Yes, yes.
No need. Okay. Heparin is 0. If you set the dose, that means it will
On.
No dose, alas.
Off.
The bolus. Okay. Heparin bolus, you will click if you will give bolus. Okay. Type single needle, no need. HDF. The machine now is
You can go
HDF
back to
both.
HD
If you want to HD, you will go back to HD. Okay. And here you can choose between pre and post. Right. Anemia, the key to overview, we said that we need only the
Patient's
patient
weight.
weight and we need to make the target on so you can receive the alarm. Why we make it on? If you receive the alarm, you still have the chance to modify the blood flow rate, the flow parameters, so you can control the target. Okay, because you want the patient to reach the goal. Okay. Right. Hematocrit. No need for this one for now. In the hematocrit sensor, we can also use the check the O2.
Oh, the
It will give you a reading for the O2.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Nice.
No need for pulse oximeter.
So
Mas accurate.
What
Kasi
else?
dugo na
BB.
dumadali.
the BB, the one you was asking, the limit.
Cycle, there is cycle.
Okay. The systolic, the pulse, lower and upper. Okay. The cyclical, if you want, every 20, every
30
30.
minutes, 50.
Okay. As I said, 0, that means
Off.
off. You will put 20, 30, that means it will
Cycle.
work. Okay. No.
30 minutes.
Okay.
You can add all.
Sorry.
Trends.
Trends. Okay.
The readings.
The list. The reading. Okay. This is setting. This is the give you the graph. Okay. Biological fusion. Biological fusion. This, as I said to you, this is self-learning test. The machine will control the session, but we will not use it here. That means the machine will determine what will be the UF in the first hour, what will be the UF, high or low, according to the previous experience with the patient blood pressure. Okay? So the machine has to reading previous history of blood pressure and the previous reading of hematocrit sensor. Okay? They checking together and they will,
Adjust.
according to the reading before they will start. No, the patient is coming 200 over 100. No, I will start high UF. After 30 minutes, the machine will read again. Still high, the machine continue the same range of UF. But if it start to drop, the machine will
Adjust the UF.
adjust the UF.
Oh,
Okay.
can we do that?
After a while, the machine will read. If it go up, the machine will increase the UF. So this is the biological fusion. The trend. Okay. This is regarding the what you call that one, the reading for the graph for the high PP, low B, it's like graph. Okay. The limits for the blood pressure, arterial pressure, venous pressure, BBE, TMB. maybe because I used
Yeah, low flux.
low flux and 13.
Yes.
The small
With
size.
HDF.
Yes. Maybe I'll try to make it 1.5. Okay. Type. We'll go here as we explain this one for the disinfection history, disinfection weekly. If you want to schedule disinfection, maybe at night, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Okay, timer, the setting.
Thermal disinfection.
For example, I want to check for temperature. Okay, I will set the temperature, I will set the time, and I will start. Okay. This is the filter, as I said. I'll show you the data of the filter. What else? Regarding here, we have the heparin, what is only already off. We have an emergency fluid bolus. Okay.
We will add.
You will, for example, 100 fluid bolus. Confirm. The machine is giving
Connect to
bolus.
arterial.
Okay, the machine is giving bolus now.
I had it.
Okay,
Post dilution.
type. If because it's slow, because we are 100.
Yes, the blood flow is.
In case you want to do minimum blood flow, you will click. Measuring BP, you have multiple options here in the emergency. Minimum blood flow, measuring BP, giving fluid bolus, whatever the option you want
Minimum.
to do. Okay? Colors. It's finished. Okay. You have here minimum UF. If minimum UF, the what you call that one?
Remove.
It will increase up to
50.
50. Okay. Change cartridge in case you want change. Post therapy. Ratio blood flow. خلاص. No need.
For the
Let's go
poster.
again. I will show you something here. Again.
This now.
This is 1.5. Okay. Fluid bolus. Okay. It's decreased. Okay.
Automatic to 100.
Okay. Cancel خلاص. It will up again automatically. طيب. Post therapy. Confirm. In case you want the patient, you will go bathroom or anything. Okay. You have instruction: bring saline, return blood, and recirculate. Cancel. Yes. Cancel.
Back to therapy.
Yes. Protocol, as we said, report for the session. Okay. So I want to show you something here. This is if you want to see the machine is preparing the bicarb.
Sa settings na.
Okay, let's we finish this one. Yes, I want to reach to where it's because we are not training too much. Sometimes I forget where is it.
We can set the date.
May Arabic.
Time. May Arabic din?
May language.
Let's translate.
French.
Marami.
French. French.
Tagalog. May Tagalog?
The language, I will set French.
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Bonjour.
Tapos niya,
Jabus.
iba-iba niya.
Okay.
Sabog ko ma. Sabog ka ba?
Sabog ka ba?
Bonjour, sabog ka ba? Last name ni Ada.
Me also, I need another
Okay, next time. No need for. Really, I'm not remembering now. طيب, this is the whole يعني.
The basic.
This is the whole. Okay. The what you call that one? The interface, the setting, the parameters. Okay. As we see.
Okay. You will go the end therapy.
Okay. The heparin, the single needle, no more. The HDF, pre and post, the edema,
Marina,
the
from where
over
we
V,
can disinfect
automatic road
this?
sensor. No need for this one. We'll make it off in case you will not use any. Arterial blood pressure. Sorry, automatic blood pressure. Okay.
Basta activity na. Push it down. Push it down.
That's it, no more.
Push it down. Push away.
Okay. Biological fusion, you will not use that one. So we know this one. Emergency, minimum UF, bypass, change cartridge, pause, protocol. Okay, this is for the pressure. This is if you want to increase or decrease. We'll go now for
And therapy.
end therapy.
Termination.
Yay.
خلاص?
Yes, yes.
Entering to infusion phase. Okay, confirm. Confirm. Will give you data about what happened. Connect arterial line to substitution port. Okay. This is okay. Open. Connect arterial line to saline back. Close substitution port. Okay.
How many extra or filler blood?
Start blood pump.
3, 4, 5.
Acetate or acid container empty. This is the problem. When you have alarm, this is with Dialog plus. When you have alarm in the acid or bicarb, you need to go for manual.
Yes.
Hmm.
For termination.
Okay.
Termination, yes. If there is alarm,
If you have alarm during the
it will interrupt.
infusion,
Yes.
you interrupt it.
You should
need
change
to go
before.
You need to go for the saline. Okay. What we will try. طيب. Let's go here.
Just saline.
You will reiterate ba?
Saline.
Because it will not.
No, during the
The infusion na.
My water.
Pareho niya pinap yung ano.
This one,
Because they are cloning this one.
Mati-mati yung
the arterial also.
So you can see it's finished. خلاص you can remove.
Pero kasi kung disconnected naman yan sa pasyente.
Ito na yung after.
Ano naman natin, nag-disconnect ka naman na sa pasyente
Okay.
after infusion
So,
na yan.
So wala na to siya. Tayo, tinatanggal naman na natin. We are removing everything. Throw.
And then,
No need to drain.
even there's still kaya
Hindi yan. Tatapos kung hindi mag-iiwan.
خلاص.
inaanday niya. For example, it's kalas.
Ah, If,
And go for
disinfection.
Oh, disinfection now.
disinfection.
Direct ayan na, tulog ng timano.
Hina.
Na.
Yan yung pinaka-antay.
Third,
Siya laki.
bali we have here different
Citric.
thermal, citric acid, decalcification. Okay. Let's see.
Where's the shortest?
39.
Where's the shortest?
Stop. Okay. We'll go for decalcification. Decalcification. Start. 29 minutes. Stop. We'll use
Parang
sermon.
di ba nag-calcify man ang ano sa salud.
Sermon.
So i-ano siya.
Start 45 minutes.
Ano tara? Lanayon ba? Ang saan eh?
Enzyme 10 minutes.
Pumunta ano?
So,
The-
Citrus lang.
need to do decalcification every time also? Need to do the decalcification every time?
the decalcification is like
As the age.
the same for citric acid.
Yes.
But shorter time and shorter amount.
Terminate themselves.
Citric acid.
Yeah, the amount of citric acid.
How often are we going to use the decalcification?
No problem. Anytime.
Anytime.
Dapat nasa balis.
Maybe between the patient,
Ah.
but maybe at the end of shift you can use citric 50%. Okay. But if you have
But-
time, use citric 50%.
Yes. But if in between we can use the decalcification
Yeah,
of
but
citric
if you have
acid.
time, it's better to use 50%.
Ah.
If your patient is still early, you need to come. Okay. طيب, any question?
Is there a requirement to do thermal disinfection for all machines? No.
Thermal, like we're increasing the heat.
Yes.
Okay.
Indications or anything.
Sometimes maybe you have like friction.
Infection.
The
Yes.
The sample is
Okay.
it's not okay.
Mm.
Okay. So you are
How
using
often?
citric, are using thermal.
Yes.
And so
How often
to
we
make
can
sure-
use the if in case there is positive culture?
والله يعني,
Is there any
if
recommendation?
you have result, you will not use for HDF.
Uh-huh.
If you have bad result,
Yes,
you
yes.
will not use for HDF. You will use only for HDF.
So it can be still be used.
But for HDF, no.
Okay.
Any question regarding the lining, the priming? Just follow the figure and follow the instruction. Okay? And the better that you can connect
di naman.
direct the problem and leave the machine.
Yes.
to prime.
The same.
But the problem in HD you need to wait شوية.
Wait, Shreya.
Beside the machine.
Because we need to follow the instructions.
You need to wait until the
After acid by car, we will wait till the machine will give message.
yes.
Go for your time.
No, the same. You will connect.
We can connect the same.
But because you will use line, sometime air will.
Yes, yeah.
You need to adjust.
We
Mm.
need to use the 1 liter. After a while,
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 liter will be better in single pump.
Mm.
Okay. Any question?
like B-Braun is easier than
Yes.
gum.
Hmm.
Dito na tayo ganito.
Shala. Wall mounted.
Any
Wow,
question?
very nice. K1, K2, and K3. Hindi pa
No problem.
natin.
Anytime I will be in control. Okay? It's not yani lazim Tuesday.
Hindi pa ginagamit yung ano doon ba, no?
And I will come maybe during the
They're
convention.
not using yet the K1, K2, K3 there. The wall mounted.
But I need the attendance sheet. And later send me the printed names. Later printed names. So I can read the name.
I will send you.
But give me copy for this one. That let me sign.
I don't know if
I want also copy. Ba, kailan gamitin yung wall mounted na K1, K2, K3? Hindi gagamitin. Oh.
Hindi daw siya gumamit.
Okay, end of the line.
Take picture this one.
Uh,
La, take picture.
here, going to